Today we're out in Spanish Springs and we're doing an inline inspection on our transmission line. Every 7 years we perform this activity, and what it does is it checks the integrity of the pipeline. It does that by sending a device through the entire length of the pipeline, taking readings, measurements on the wall thickness, and making sure there's nothing wrong with the pipe. The device is called an inline inspection tool, and it's also known as a pig because it squeaks through the pipeline as it goes through it. And the device travels about 2 to 3 miles per hour, and while it goes through the pipeline, it's collecting data. The device has magnets in it, and it's essentially doing like an MRI or a CAT scan of the pipeline as it's traveling through. So at the end of this pipeline run, the device is pulled out of the pipeline and the data that's collected is downloaded, and the first check is to make sure it collected some data, and then it goes back to the contractor to analyze the data, and they provide us a report which will tell us each and every anomaly, loss of pipe wall thickness. It'll tell us every weld that's on the pipeline. All kinds of information is collected. And then we take that data and compare it to the previous time, 7 years ago, and we get to see, is the pipeline holding steady or is it degrading over time? Currently we have 2 lines that we do this every 7 years to. This line is 5.6 miles. The other line that we do is 2.5 miles.